Today I finished my square and it looks like this. It's 10 by 10 and I'm going to show you the back. So this is the result of me trying to be neat. This is the neatest that I can do, and this is the reason why I don't really care for the back of my cross stitches, because the neatest I can make it looks like this. It looks like a mess. So from now on, I'm not going to worry about making sure that everything is all vertical stitches on the back, because it looks like this. It just looks like I didn't even try. So yeah, from now on, I'm not going to work from square to square. I'm just going to work with whatever colors are adjacent from each other, which is what I normally do. And just for reference, this is the square that I was working on, this 10 by 10 here. So normally this paper is folded over here, like right in the middle of the square. And so I just refolded it so this, this grid line is on the crease. Yeah, because you can see here, like where it was folded before. You can see a little bit of like white right there. It's just from this crease damaging the pattern. So I just fold it on the crease where it doesn't damage the pattern. Another reason why I don't work so organized by doing square to square is because of all of these colors that have leftover thread. And so yeah, I really like to use up one color at a time. So to prevent that from happening, I don't like to do square to square. I just like going by color and jumping all over the place. So that concludes the video for today. I'm probably not going to do any more bird's eye view like that because it's pretty time consuming, and this is my setup. This is just my other scroll, and I just put my camera on top facing down like this, and my work is on the under the coffee table. Yeah, unless I need to show something on my project, I'll use it, but I don't like doing the whole time lapse thing. I don't really have the right setup. So that's it.